Turn it off, bro.
Wait, I gotta do all on my chest. Inside and outside.
You're gonna fucking hurt yourself, bro.
I'm alright.
I feel the power.
Ooh, it feels kind of good. Just gonna put it all the way up. Really good. Feels good.
Dude.
It was crazy.
Oh my god.